Coordinating conjunction vs. coordinating conjunction. A. Similarities between coordinating and subordinating conjunctions. 1. Both coordinating and subordinating conjunctions are types of conjunction. 2. Both coordinating and subordinating conjunctions are words or combination of words. 3. Both coordinating and subordinating conjunctions do the task of connecting. B. Differences between coordinating and subordinating conjunctions. 1. A coordinating conjunction connects ideas of equal importance, while a subordinating conjunction connects less important ideas with more important ones. 2. A coordinating conjunction joins two clauses, sentences, of equal grammatical rank, two nouns, verbs, adverbs, etc., while a subordinating conjunction joins two clauses of unequal grammatical rank. 3. A coordinating conjunction joins two independent clauses, main clauses, whereas a subordinating conjunction joins a subordinate or dependent clause with a main clause. 4. A coordinating conjunction makes a sentence compound, while a subordinating conjunction makes a sentence complex.